Hello everyone. Today I'll be showing you how to create accessible digital documents in Microsoft Excel. Why document accessibility matters? It's more than meeting legal requirements. It's about inclusive design that benefits everyone. The IDC recommends building accessibility into digital content from the start. This session is geared towards that. Here are some great resources that explain more about why accessibility matters. You can learn more from this page right here, and you can also learn more from our KB page. You can learn more about what accessibility means in course design, and you can also see what an accessible course look like. For this session, we'll be learning how to use the accessibility checker in Excel. Excel's accessibility checker is a valuable and free tool available in Excel and other Office products. It is designed to ensure that your documents are accessible to all readers. In addition to identifying issues, the accessibility checker provides detailed explanations and practical resolutions for each flagged item. You can find this file when you go to the NDSU start page and you click on the search button and you type software and application events calendar. This will lead you to the software and applications event calendar page and click on the IDC practice workshop files and click on creating accessible spreadsheet in Microsoft Excel to access the file. You will then see this practice file. To check accessibility, click on review up here in tabs and you see check accessibility in the ribbon. Right. Click on check accessibility to see all the issues that the file has. So you can see here that it has missing alternative text as an error, and under the warnings it has use of net cells and default sheet name. If you look down here, you can see that it has default sheet names without a proper name to it. You might have tips that suggest improvements for the content that could enhance the user experience through better organization of presentation. It is important to use clear and descriptive worksheet names. So we're going to change these names to the appropriate names that fit each worksheet. For this worksheet that has the hours for the year 2025 and 2026, I would like to name it Employee Hours 2025-2026. And for the second sheet that has accessibility report, I'm going to name it Accessibility Issue Tracker. Please take note when writing the title for your sheets, you want to ensure that the titles are descriptive and concise. You want to ensure that you avoid spaces. You want to be consistent with your text. And also you want to limit the length to a character less than 31. You can see that the sheet warning issues has been fixed. When creating tables with header rows and columns, you want to ensure that you highlight the whole table and you choose format as table. It's going to give you a drop down of different styles. You can pick a style that you want in this drop down menu. And if you have headers, make sure you click on this checkbox that says my table has headers. This will format the selected data as a table and create a new table design tab with options to give the table a title and more formatting options for a total column. Next, we'll be looking at how to fix merge cells and blank rows. Merge cells and blank rows create significant accessibility and usability issues in Excel. Merge cells interfere with screen readers, keyboard navigation, sorting, filtering formulas, and pivot tables, making spreadsheets difficult to interpret and analyze. We can fix the merge cells issues by clicking on the accessibility pane on the right side and clicking on each issue to unmerge each cells. We can remove all blanks by using go to special and clicking on blanks, which highlights all the blank cells, and you can always delete any blank cells in your sheet. Next, we'll be looking at how to add alternative text to your charts or images. Place your cursor over the image and right click and choose View Alt Text. You can then insert your alternative text to give your image a description. Type in your description in the box that opens on the right side of the screen. We have now made this file fully accessible. To learn more about alternative text, visit the IDC's alternative text KB page. And if the description is more complex, you might want to use the long description option for your alternative text. You can learn more about long description by visiting the long description KB page. So join us for any of our workshops. You can always visit our software and application events calendar page to see every workshop that we have. Thank you so much for watching this video. You can visit our website via www.ndsu.edu/it/help/IDC. You can reach out to us via the phone number on the screen or the email address. You can also submit a ticket via our website at www.ndsu.edu/it/help.